Before we get into how to play the game, let's take a look at the types of cards you'll be playing. There are 5 different types of cards. You have leader cards, sin cards, chrominicons, upgrades, and adventures. Your leader cards are just that. These are the main characters you'll be playing and will determine the color palette for your deck, as well as your team makeup. Each of these cards has a leader talent that you'll be able to use on your turn for free. Sins are special game-changing cards that feature both Sins and Legions. Sins are kept in a separate deck and roles determine whether or not they become active. Active Sins will emit a negative field effect that affects all players. Chrominicons are the variety of creatures that can be found in Astria. Tame them, and they'll become loyal allies to your team. Upgrades can add weapons, powers, passives, armors, and outfits to your leaders and your Chrominicons. The name on the upgrade denotes who the upgrade can be attached to. Upgrades are played in the upgrades area under the character is attached to, and they are played for free. Finally, you have adventure cards. These are various one-time use cards that can help to steer the game into your favor. These cards can have a multitude of different subtypes. That just tells you the type of adventure card it is. These can be anything from events, supports, landmarks, ambrosia, ingredients, and more. But for the most part, all adventure cards play the same way.